Hey everybody, Jim here with Totally Relaxed. Just want to jump in here and show you a little demonstration of what I've been doing with this cheapy camera. This is the Monster 1080p Plus that I made a video about here a while back. And of course I was walking around then with no motorized gimbal like I am now. Today I'm using my HoHem motorized gimbal that I bought a couple years ago, and I'm pretty sure you're going to see a remarkable difference in the video this time. I got to do something to keep myself busy because, as y'all know, or most of you know anyway, that I'm headed back out west for the first time since I retired in 2015, and I am really excited. Most of you know about my so-called adventures with my van that I bought, and all the stuff I went through with it. So hopefully on the 16th I will be leaving Houston to head out west on my maiden journey. Anyway, have a great day, and if this is your first time to my channel, I appreciate you stopping by. Check out the videos, and if you like what you see, how about subscribing? Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.